In this support video, we will be installing the radiant heat element for the below models. Always best to disconnect your unit before you begin. Access the back of your range and remove the screws holding the back panel. Remove the top decorative grille. Remove the back panel. By standing in front of the range, pull the glass cooktop towards you and pull upwards to remove. Disconnect the 4 wires connected to the radiant element. Take note of their positions for later connection. Remove the element along with the holding springs. With your new element, place back the springs and place back into position. Reconnect the 4 wires. The cooktop fastens around the bracket. Carefully place back the cooktop and snap back into the frame bracket. Place back the back panel. Place back the top decorative grille. Screw back the back panel. This completes the installation.